What's in your water? Probably more than you think, depending on where you drink it from. Home and lifestyle columnist Vicky Sanderson shows us on how to reduce plastics and how to stay cool, water conservation. You've got the whole gamut today.
I do. So let's start with water conservation and reducing the use of plastics. I brought in this new Brita Hub Compact water filter. It's a countertop water filter. It's powered by Hamilton Beach. Brita and Hamilton Beach have done this collaboration. I love this machine most of all because on one filter I am reducing my plastic use to the tune of something like 900 single-use plastic bottles, which it makes absolute sense for me. I like too that it takes out something like 90 contaminants, including stuff like lead and cadmium and copper. But for me, one of the big things is the taste. I just like the taste of filtered water. I like to drink it. I like to have it in my coffee and my tea. And so for that, I think it's really fantastic. It's very super simple to use. There's a little button on the front. You press it once if you just want to fill up the water, a cup with water. You press it twice if you're doing something like filling up my water bottle, which I do once a day. There's a little light on it that tells you when it's time to change the filter. Filter on the back is really easy to. And this is actually the back of one of them, right? This is the back. This is showing the filter with the vessel there. And that is really easy to take in and out. Each time you do, of course, you want to flush the system once, but you can use that water to water your plants or wash dishes. And I just love how slim and compact it is, like about 5 inches across. And you say that you've got one in your office to remind you to drink more water. I do have one in my office, and I also have got one in a guest bedroom so that people who are staying overnight and say they need, they want a glass of water in the middle of the night, they don't have to try and stumble their way to my kitchen to find one. So just super simple but super great design, and again reduces your plastic use and makes your water taste better and be healthier, which is so important this time of year. Okay, now let's talk about water that, are we going to do, this is the water sensor here? This is from Moen. It's the Flow Smart Water Monitor and Shut-Off System. And here we're talking about water saving and safety in terms of the home. One of the biggest causes of damage and biggest insurance claim issue is water damage. This is a system that goes on the main supply. It's installed by a plumber. It's not a DIY, but once it's in there, it can monitor your water use in very minute quantities, so that it knows, for example, if there's a tap dripping or a toilet dripping. If you use it, it'll shut it off. It will shut it off automatically. Yes, and if you use it in conjunction with one of their smart faucets or other smart products, there's other applications you can use, including a shut-off program. So that say you're at your vacation home or you're leaving your place, you can manually adjust this so that it will drain the water through the other smart system and turn it off. Super clever. We've got about a minute left. One fun thing I had to bring in, this is the Shark Flex Breeze. I think I got that name right. It's a fan? It's a fan. It is a fan that can be used either with a cord or cordlessly, so it's got great mobility, but it's also got super great mobility in that this unit can fold up and be sat into a larger one. So it can pedestal. Be like on a table, or it can be on a pedestal. Be on a table. You can carry it around the house to wherever you want. And then when you go out, when you go outside in your yard, 30 seconds, you can do this super clever thing. Water hose goes in this. This unit goes on the front, and it turns into a misting fan. Cools you down. Your plants love it. Cool, right? Okay, we're going to get your social media posts, and because that'll give you connections on where you can get these great products. Always great to have you on the show, Vicky. We'll get that link up on our website at chch.com/morninglive.